All right, we have let this sit for 24 hours, and now we're adding the sand with the eggs in it to the water. Unfortunately, there's no spring water available.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
And we had to use our tap water, but we're going to just test the theory that it won't work if we use tap water.
With well water.
Yeah, it was well water. It's not tap. It's not from like the city or anything. It's from the well. So let's stir it up. And we'll check on a day or two. See if we have some baby triops. Right?
Yeah.
It has almost been 72 hours. It's been probably about maybe 65 hours. And I put it out on the back porch because I was afraid that...
Oh, I think I see one.
Yeah, look at that.
Aww.
I was afraid that it was too cool inside the house for them. They like to be supposedly around 85 to 90 degrees or something like that. 85 degrees, I guess, is the optimum. And we keep it at like 73 in the house at night. So I put them on the back porch and just kind of forgot about them for the next couple days. And I see, you can tell where they're at because they're changing direction. Little pieces of dust or debris in the water that's swimming around.
There's one.
And so tomorrow I'll start
Another.
feeding them. See if I can get down low enough where I can look at them.
They're so cute looking.
Yeah, they're little tiny. I think most of them are down by the bottom right now.
What size do they get?
They get, I remember getting pretty big, like maybe
This
the
big?
size of your pinky fingernail, I think.
What?
Your little tiny fingernail.
That one.
Yeah, I remember getting about that size. I could see probably about 4 or 5, maybe half a dozen. There's one swimming right there in the middle of the screen.
So tiny. I can't really see it right now.
I saw like one that has like a reddish color earlier.
I see it.
See if I can
When you
find
look
one.
inside, right here, you can actually see them more.
Oh, you can? From up top?
Mm-hmm.
It might be harder for the camera to focus on them.
Yeah. See 2 of them right now. One's little, one's bigger. So tiny and cute.
Yeah, I can see a couple of them swimming around in there, but because you're looking for little pieces of debris that are changing direction and moving.
There's 4 of them. That's so cute. Look at that.
I've seen at least 4. There may be more.
5.
And I stirred up the bottom of them with a stick, or with it was a straw.
Aqua dragons.
So we'll feed them. Yeah,
That's dumb.
one in the back right there. See it from this way direction. We'll feed them tomorrow. Oh, there's one big one right there. Where is he at? Well, Jesse's loud. There he is on the corner, but you can barely see him.
Oh, there he is.
That's the reddish looking one. It's right there in the light.
Yeah.
The light's shining back. You can't really see it. So we'll look at them again tomorrow and feed them some of the food that they provided.
It's so cute.
And we'll check on them week to week. This is the baby triop food. You just sprinkle a little tiny bit in there and stir up the water, and you'll see how big they are. They're only 5 days old, and they're huge.
Do I just do
So
this?
yeah, just sprinkle just a little bit in there. Here, let me help you. Doesn't really say how much to give them. So I'm gonna sprinkle some in on there. You can see it falling in the water. See if I can see it. Oh, that was too much.
Oh, no.
Oh well, stir it up in there, and we won't feed them for a couple days.
Okay.
Just
Like
in a big
this?
circle, yeah. You'll be able to see them swimming.
Hope there's no,
Here, let me get it.
none of them in the straw. Yes. Oh my gosh! Look
Yeah,
at
you'll
them.
be able to see them swimming against the current.
They're
That's
all
how you'll know
flying.
they're there.
Look at
Plus,
the tornado.
they're getting pretty big.
I could see them flying like a tornado. Humans being. You see that little one?
Yeah. So, oh wow, look, they are huge. They're 5 days old.
Yeah. They're just so cute looking. They're tiny, cute looking.
We're not going to feed them again for
All right, guys, let's go to sleep.
probably another 2-3 days. Well, they're all different sizes, so they probably hatched at different times. But they're already like the size of full-grown sea monkeys. Where'd they go? Oh, one's up at the corner there.
Right here. Oh my gosh, this one's huge.
Look at them.
Yeah.
They're big. All right, we'll see you in about a week
gosh.
then.
Look at it. It's so cool looking.
Stare it at.
Well, we were going to wait to do this, but the water's getting kind of yucky. It smells like a stinky fishbowl. So we're going to do a water change. And look how big these guys are.
You'll be able to see them better after
This
the water
is-
gets cleaner.
Today Tuesday, so it's been a week and 3 days.
We don't like this in case I don't want to do it in the sink because if they spill out. Whoop, there
Kill
they
them all.
go. Do you think that's enough?
Probably get some more. Just don't let the sand go out of it, or those little lime rocks. I'll pour some more spring water in there. Actually have spring water now the hurricane's gone. Well, they're trying to go, aren't they?
Whoop.
Oh,
There he
lost
is.
one.
I'll
Look
get
at
him.
Look at him.
He's a big one.
Look at that.
Maybe I can scoop
Don't
him.
smash him. That's
I
a
need a-
week and what,
I need
3
a
days?
fish net.
Strainer.
Nope.
What's that? It's too fast for you. Back in. Put some spring water for him.
Should I pour a little more out or? Yeah, that's enough.
You got a ladle?
A ladle?
Yeah, pour a little bit more out. Stir it up some more. I don't lose all the water because it's supposed to be treated. or
Have
something.
some good bacteria in there, so.
Have some lime in there, I guess. Calcium from the lime rock. Trying to jump out, aren't they?
Oh, that's enough.
Yeah. Pour spring water.
Clover Valley.
There it goes. We probably need a little bit more water, but
Yeah, we can do regular water instead.
they still got food in there too, so that's good. It has been 2 weeks. I moved them outside since it's warmer outside, and I also put this light on them. And they say they need light to survive. There are 4 now, and they're huge. 2 weeks, 2 days. Got some fish food for them. They'll find them and carry them off. There were 6, so I think they ate the other 2. I'm not sure because I didn't see it. So, give them the shadow of a doubt. And they're getting excited now and they're starting to wiggle around. It's the next day with these guys, and I put a light on them because it said they like light in it. They need it to grow. There's still 4 in here. But man, this thing filled up with algae. So I wouldn't recommend a light on here like daylight all day long. But they're still big. I'm going to feed them again. I'm going to change the water and feed them. That'll be the last video because it's been over 2 weeks. It's been about 2.5 weeks now. And the original 6 are down to 4. And I've been feeding them fish food.
Okay, so we're doing a water change right now. I just scooped them out with this spoon.
Now there's only 3, so one of them disappeared overnight. But I've been
I'm
feeding
gonna-
them every day. I don't know why they're eating each other, if they are eating each other.
This water has the algae in it, so I'm gonna
We're going to use some, we finally got some spring water. Let me pour this in there first.
there we go, they're in there.
Alright, we'll save some for later. And as you can see, they're huge. Let me get some food for them. Is that food down there already?
It was leftover food.
Okay.
Leftover food and sand. I didn't rinse that out when I rinsed it out. The
I'll get them
sand
some more
stayed in
food.
the bottom in the old food.
Well, this is, you see how big they get. And I'm not going to see how long they're going to last because apparently, I don't know what's going on with them, but they keep disappearing. They keep eating each other or something. They're really hungry. So, Boom Pals app, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Look at these Triops. They are so... This is the iPhone 11 that I just got in the mail. And I'm taking a peek at these little guys. They're almost 3 weeks old. A couple days shy. But they're huge. And they're just digging all over the place. They're kind of gross looking.
They are.
But this is way better video than the other one is. Food in there. Oh, he's digging in the sand. There's only 3 left.
Yep.
And we're not sure what happens to them. I think they get hungry and eat each other. But it's kind of weird. That one's got the food ball over there. That one's digging up the sand again. Boom Pals app. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.